Hello everyone, welcome to Pandya's EduTech. In the previous video, we revised the important named reactions of carbonyl compounds. Today we will continue our NCERT named reaction series with one of the most important chapters in organic chemistry, that is amines. It will helpful in CBSE boards examinations, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. In this video, we will cover Hofmann-Bromamide reaction, Gabriel-thalalimide synthesis, carbylamine reaction, diazotization reaction, and azocoupling reaction. First, Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. Preparation of primary amines by treating an amide with bromine in aqueous or ethanolic solution of sodium hydroxide. In this degradation reaction, migration of an alkyl or aryl group takes place from carbonyl carbon of the amide to the nitrogen atom. The amine so formed contains one carbon less than that present in the amide. As you can see that when amide is reacted with Br2KOH, that is bromine in aqueous or ethanolic sodium hydroxide solution or potassium hydroxide solution, it will form amine. Carbon double bond O bond is removed in this process. That's why one carbon atom is less in the product. It can also be asked as an MCQ in boards. Second, Gabriel-thalalimide synthesis. Gabriel synthesis is used for the preparation of primary amines. Thalalimide on treatment with ethanolic potassium hydroxide forms potassium salt of thalalimide, which on heating with alkyl halide followed by alkaline hydrolysis produces the corresponding primary amine. Aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared by this method because aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution with the anion formed by the thalalimide. As you can see that when thalalimide is reacted with potassium hydroxide, that is KOH, and alkyl halide and aqueous NaOH solution, it will form amine and sodium salt of carboxylic acid, where amine is the primary amine. Third, carbylamine reaction. Aliphatic and aromatic primary amines on heating with chloroform and ethanolic potassium hydroxide forms isocyanides or carbylamines, which are foul-smelling compounds or substances. Secondary and tertiary amines do not show this reaction. This reaction is also known as reaction of isocyanide test, and it is also known as the reaction for primary amine test, as only primary amines show this reaction. As you can see that NH2 group, that is amine group, is being replaced by NC, that is isocyanide group, while reacting with CHCl3 with KOH, that is chloroform with ethanolic potassium hydroxide, and heat. Fourth, diazotization reaction. When a primary aromatic amine dissolved or suspended in cold aqueous mineral acid is treated with sodium nitrite, a diazonium salt is formed. As you can see that amine NH2 group is being replaced by azo group N2Cl while reacting with NaNO2 with HCl, and make sure that this reaction takes place at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, that is from 273 to 278 Kelvin. Fifth, azo-coupling reaction. The azo products obtained have an extended conjugate system having both the aromatic rings joined through the nitrogen-nitrogen double bond. These compounds are often colored and are used as dyes. It is an example of electrophilic substitution reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride reacts with phenol, in which the phenol molecule at its para position is coupled with the diazonium salt to form para-hydroxyazobenzene. As you can see that when benzene diazonium chloride is reacted with phenol, it will form an orange dye. The reaction of diazonium salt with aniline yields para-aminoazobenzene. When benzene diazonium chloride is being reacted with amine compound, it will form an yellow dye. Make sure you have to know the color of the dyes made by phenol and phenylamine. And also make sure that both of these reactions takes place in mild basic solution, that is the pH of the solution will be greater than 7 as it is required for the dye formation. That's it for today's revision of the NCERT named reactions of amines. If you remember the reagent, reaction condition and final product for each of these reactions, you will be able to solve many JEE Mains, JEE Advanced and CBSE board questions with confidence. In the next video, we will revise the most important reactions of phenols and diazonium compounds, including Riemer-Tiemann reaction, Kolbe's reaction, Sandmeyer reaction, Getterman reaction, and more, all explained in the same simple NCERT based format. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to Pandya's EduTech or you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video.